Here's how to make a draft video on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok and you wanted to create a new video, you wanted to record something or upload it from your photo gallery, but you don't necessarily want to share it yet with all of your followers, you can always save that as a draft, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up TikTok and tap the plus at the bottom center. Now, I'm just going to record my remote here real quick. And say I wanted to add some text that just says remote, remit, whatever. And basically you've added a sound at the very top. Let's add a sound to this. If you wanted to do any kind of cool song, let's use that one. And now you say, I don't necessarily want to share this with my entire following, but I just want to save this as a draft video so that I can use it down the road. Let's hit that back arrow at the top left, and then all you have to do is hit save draft. And just like that, you have gone out of it, but it has saved your place exactly where you were before. You can always go back into it and you can decide whether you want to discard it at that point or whether you want to continue editing it and then eventually publish it to your entire following. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.